Hello again, this is Carl West, JCM Technology Solutions, with another episode of our how-to video series. Today's episode is the first of a three-part series addressing security on your Grandstream IP PBX, and we're going to cover setting up fail2ban. Fail2ban is a rudimentary intrusion prevention piece of software that locks out users when they repeatedly attempt to log in. So like a brute force attack, when they try to log into your PBX, and it does it by blocking their IP. It's installed on every Grandstream UCM series device, but it's not enabled by default. Now that you know what it does, I'm going to show you how to turn it on and how to apply a basic configuration. Let's get started. Okay, log into your IP PBX. Here's the main status screen. From here, we're going to go to Settings, hover Firewall, and select fail2ban. Okay, by default, you will see that it's off, so we're going to turn it on. All right, so the first thing you got to figure out is how long that you want to ban everyone. So a 0 is a permanent ban. I'm a big fan of 0, but no, as an admin, if you permanently ban somebody from an IP and they're really trying to log in, then you've got to do some manual configuration to make that go away. So I like to set it, if you don't want the permanent, I like to set it for a few hours at first. Then if you find out that it's working really well for you, then you can extend that out. So right now I want to use the value 14,400. That is 4 hours, so 60 times 60 times 4. And then the max retry duration and the max retry. So what this means is the max retry is they're going to try to log into your IP PBX. So they're going to try to log into the as a SIP user. In 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 600 seconds, 5 times. So if they try and fail 5 times in 10 minutes, it's going to ban them for 4 hours. That's not a bad place to start. You can adjust different ones. You can make this a little more narrow. If you know that your users should have the right configuration, they're not typing anything in, then you can take this value down. If you want to take the value down, maybe you can even make this bigger, so then those attempts can go. There's a strategy with the hackers using scanning tools, SipVicious, all those different things, where they can dial it in on the attempts. So you can play with these to see what works for you. Okay, so right now we're going to go with the default. The whitelist, if you want to whitelist your local LAN, I do recommend that. However, you don't have to. But for us, it would be the 192.168.0.101. So let's just click the plus, and I'm going to add this. And the reason I'd add this is just because, I don't want to ban my local clients. We have good control of our network. This is a demo lab anyway, so no one should be on that network logging in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and select the asterisk server. So it's going to be port 5060, and it's going to be the same thing, the max retry as 5. So let's go ahead and click Save. And apply those changes. So now if someone tries to log in, they're not on your local network, they're not the device itself, and we're logging into the SIP account, then it's going to ban them if they have 5 failed attempts in 10 minutes, and it's going to ban them for 4 hours. So if you do get somebody banned, under here on the blacklist, it will tell you how they were banned, what the IP is, and you'll have the option to remove them from that list. So the way that we play this in-house with our own system is we have a ban set up. I think it's a little bit longer than the 4 hours, but we have a ban set up. And if someone appears on the list, one of our guys will actually scan the list to look at it as part of their daily routine, and then we'll move those to a permanent blacklist on the firewall. But that way also, if one of our guys are outside in the field, they're trying to log in, they're switching to a new device, then they're not permanently logged out, because they can call us and say, hey, I'm locked out, and then someone can log into this page and remove that. So there you go. Now you know how to set up fail2ban on your Grandstream IP PBX. Stay tuned for more videos coming. We're going to go over usernames, passwords, a few other things too. So stay tuned, and those videos will come up soon. Thanks again, and have a great day.